Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, I'm back among the living, and we'll get into that in a second once we start the video. But I wanted to show you something today, and something I've been thinking about for a long time. Making rotation of your stuff easier. Now, I've come home many times with tons of food to put away in my storeroom, having to rotate out old stuff to my working pantry, and I'll tell you, it's been a pain in the neck using bags, got my bundled up in my hand. Today, I've got something that's going to solve all those problems, plus give me a little bit of a portable table in my storeroom. Today, we're taking a look at the Vevor 3-tier utility rolling cart. Let's check it out. All right, folks, welcome back. So I wanted to thank everybody who wished me well. For those of you that don't know, Sunday night, I started breaking out into a cold sweat. I had pain in my stomach area, worse than I've ever had in my life. I seriously thought I was either going to pass out or die on the spot. It was gallbladder. I knew it. I'd had some attacks previously the last few weeks. They'd always gone away. This time it didn't go away. I went to the local hospital. They immediately transported me, well, not immediately, but as fast as they could, transported me via ground ambulance, which every bump I felt, all the way into Vegas. They did the operation, removed my gallbladder. I'm still recovering. I'm not 100%, but I'm definitely feeling better. And let me tell you, it's so nice to eat without being sick after every time you eat a meal. Anyway, I am back. I'm feeling better, doing better. A little bit less of a grouch. I was a little grouchy there for a while. This has probably been going on for about 3 months on and off, so definitely feeling better. So, like I said in the intro, I've been thinking about how I'm going to rotate stuff, and I've wanted to do this for the longest time. My main food storeroom is not huge. I also have my firearms in there, my ammo storage, my gun safe. I have a lot of stuff in there, and then I have my secondary storeroom. And I mean, they're not huge, and putting a permanent table in there in the middle of the room would kind of be difficult and hard to use. And I thought about buying a rolling cart for a long time. Well, if you guys know, I've been partnering up with Vevor for a while. And I asked them, I said, do you have anything that would fit this bill? They showed me this, and I was just right on it, because this is exactly what I've been looking for. Now, believe it or not, this thing can hold up to 600 pounds, and I'm really impressed with that. But I'm going to be putting this thing into the middle of my storeroom, and when I come home with food and I have to rotate, now how easy it is to roll it over to where I have to rotate, take all the old food off, take the new food on the second shelf, put it in the back, put the old food in front of it. As far as moving stuff from storeroom to storeroom, or moving stuff in general, this is going to make life so much easier. Let me tell you, I used to do it with a series of bags, and I'd be bringing bags in and bags out, and it was just difficult. And also, too, after this recent little incident, I can't lift some heavy stuff for a while, so I kind of have to be careful. And for those wondering, that bucket is not that heavy. I have to be careful. So this is a way that I can still do stuff, still move stuff around without straining or injuring myself. So we're going to take a look at this thing. This does hold up to 661 pounds. It's a 3-tier trolley, okay? It can hang various kitchen items on the end there. I'll turn it around so you can see. It's got hooks on the end of it. And I think that's kind of a neat thing, too, because, let's face it, you're going to come home with bags from a store. You can hang the bags anywhere you want, put the old stuff on there, take the new stuff out of the bags. It's just going to make that room a whole lot more useful for me. And if I can stick this in the middle of the room and have it like a center table, I'm going to love that, too. Also, might be able to be using videos when I want to shoot videos in there, too. Now, another nice feature about this is made of really decent steel. I was putting this together, and it's very easy to assemble. It uses you got the 2 little snaps that go around, and you snap your top over the thing there. Very, very easy to put together. And I was using a rubber mallet. Now, I put these together in the past, and I pounded on them, and they've deformed. This thing is made of some serious stainless steel. It's very, very thick, very heavy, very industrial strength. It's not going to bend on you putting it together. And it makes it easy to transport heavy stuff, like I said, as well as your food items. If you've been doing this for a while and you have a dedicated storeroom, or maybe you have an outside facility that you store your food in that's, climate controlled, rolling the stuff in and out of your house will be so much easier for you. It does have a nice basket on the bottom, as you can see down there. That is a basketed kind of area on the bottom. The sides don't really have that. I just want flat surfaces on there anyway, but I do like the basket on the bottom. You do have 4-inch silent casters on the bottom. They're really easy to move over all surfaces. I was really shocked. Of course, out here on the concrete, it's going to move smoothly. But inside, Driving it around on my carpet, very smooth and easy to move around. It does lock. You do have the locks there, so you can lock it in place. You can also put this up against the wall if you want to store this somewhere semi-permanently. Lock it in place, so if you live in an earthquake area where things are going to roll around a little, it's not going to be a problem. So let me clear off some of that stuff and bring it up closer a little bit and show you some of the features of this. So I wanted to show you the hooks first, of course. And I mean, these can be placed pretty much anywhere you want. Stick them on the side, wherever it's convenient for you. I just put them over here for now because I don't know that I'll be using them right away, but I can adjust them as needed. I also wanted to explain how this thing goes together. Okay, now these are those little pieces. You'll see it says top there. And forgive the lighting, I'm doing this in a different part of my garage today because obviously this isn't going to fit on my desk. And obviously I'm going to ramble along today because I'm still a little loopy from all my meds. These will snap together, okay? And they will, whoops, okay? They will snap together and around this here, okay? So you'll snap those on there and you'll put any of these pieces over the top like that. You also will have this is what I really liked, little handle here that goes on the same way. And with the graduated markings on here, it does make it easy for you to, see how smooth that rolls. It does make it easy for you to move everything around just the way you want. So you can adjust these at 1-inch intervals along the entire unit. It's very customizable. If you want, say, this to be a little higher, you can do that. You just move it up. Even while it's assembled, you just tap it up a little bit, take those pieces off, move them up a couple of rings, push it back down over them, and when you push it over them, it'll lock it into place. So I'm definitely liking the fact that you can adjust this around a whole lot, and I've been wanting some kind of surface in the middle of my storeroom, my food storeroom, for ages. Even if you guys just have a working pantry in your kitchen, this makes rotation so much easier. Now, another very cool feature of this is the fact that this is not super expensive. I've been pricing these out for a while. I've seen them, 100, 150, 200. I've seen them go for ridiculous prices. This one, once you register on the site, is $73.99. I forget what it is before you register. It can hold up to 661 pounds. The cart weight itself is about 20.8 pounds. It's anywhere from 30 inches by 18 inches by 32. So it's, depending on how you adjust the shelving, but the shelving inside doesn't matter. That's the dimensions of it. It'll be 30 by 18 by 32. Very easy to put together. I put aside an hour to put this together because when stuff's new, you always figure, I'll do this in 5 minutes, and you're out there 3 hours later looking for the right tools. You've got your tools all over the floor. This was very, very simple. I had it together in 15 minutes. So it's definitely going to make a nice addition in my storeroom. Hopefully it'll be something you're looking for too. I can see myself using this for a very, very long time. Not only that, but I mean, if you have a work area, like if you have a shop, I was contemplating putting this out here, but then I thought, I'm not going to be moving the table that I have out here. So having it on wheels kind of wastes its purpose. So putting it inside my storeroom will make for a very nice centerpiece. What I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it inside, and I'm going to quickly show it to you inside there. I just want to show you what it's going to look like. I'm not going to put it where I'd normally put it because I have all a bunch of boxes on the other side. So I'm just going to put it there and show you what it's going to look like. Let me roll it inside, and then we'll wrap up the video. All right, folks, welcome back. So that took a lot of effort. It's not the best image. It's very small in here. It's hard to, it's actually bigger than it looks. I mean, I'm like 4 feet away from that. But this is what it's going to be kind of for. It's not going to be living there. It's going to be more over where the camera is here. In the middle of the room. That'll allow me access to this side or this side. I have a bunch of cardboard boxes this way, so I can't go back any further. So for now, this is the last section I could really show easily. But you see how easy that's going to be. I mean, I can just walk over to that, grab it, pull it, move it around anywhere I want, and rotate stuff easily. Also, too, when I come home, if I want to put something down, they do sell mats on these that will go on here. And there is a little bit of an edge on here, a little lip. So stuff isn't going to fall off as you're rolling it. But if I got to put some number 10 cans on this and move it into the kitchen or whatever, this is going to make life so much easier. Also, too, as I was rolling this in, I had a thought. A lot of us are now using power stations. Well, what better way to take a couple 2,000 watt power stations that are really heavy and hard to move than something like this. One on top, one in the middle. Roll them around as you need. Get an extension cord, run it to your devices. You put it somewhere in your house, kind of in the middle. When you're all done, you take it, you put it somewhere near a window. You run your solar panels outside and you can charge it up. So it's not just for food rotation. This has a ton of other uses. That's just a good idea for my use. And I do like the hooks. They are going to be used as I flesh it out more. So definitely a cool little item. It does look very cramped in here. It's really not. There's actually a lot more space, it seems like, but for some reason this camera likes to zoom right in on things. Anyway, folks, like I said, I will leave a link down below if you're interested in this. They have bigger ones. They have smaller ones. They have ones without wheels. Vevor's got a whole lot of stuff. I was really impressed with the stuff they carry. Some of it's more industrial, kind of, kitchen stuff related. Some of it is, home construction. There's a ton of stuff on there. So if you follow my link, you'll be able to get the cart there. They do have a site-wide discount. I'll put that below as well. It's a 5% off discount. There's a site-wide code. But if you follow my link and you register on the site, you can get a cart like this, $73.99, $74. Really not bad. Very handy and easy to use. If I wasn't just out of surgery, I would have loaded this up with some power stations, but we're not lifting heavy things just yet. Anyway, folks, it is great to be back. Thank you for all your well wishes, prayers, thoughts, whatever. It was a very long week, and I am glad to be back among the living. I'm not, I'm still a little weak, still a little sore, but especially doing a video today, kind of like, wow, yeah, all right. That does take a little bit of energy. But I am feeling much, much better, and to not be sick all the time and have a sour stomach all the time is just the best feeling in the world. And by the way, I discovered I do not like MRI machines. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching. Like I said, the link will be down below. Don't forget to check out all our links. We have our Amazon affiliate store there. If there's nothing in the store that you like, you can always go there and check it out. We have a lot of our gear that we use in the channel there. But if there's nothing in the store you like, just click the link, shop as you normally would. We appreciate when you do that. Our freeze-dried wholesaler link, 15% off for using my link. He has been in and out of stock of a lot of stuff. This month's volume was incredible. I mean, I could not believe how much stuff got sold through that site. So if you guys are seeing that he's out of stock on stuff, just hold up a day or two. It'll be back. He is running 24/7. He's actually working with his crew to get it caught up. If you go to the site and you read along the top there, you'll read his message. Below that's our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. Don't forget to check that out. And our My Patriot Supply link, that's preparewithiridium.com. Go check out our monthly specials. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching. Thanks for hanging in there this week. Stay safe and stay prepared.